Maybe he wanted to hear my horn, but he doesn't even have one. Either that or just trying to get a reaction out of it. Sorry? You want to see it?
I heard a double blow.
Yeah, I was just responding back to his honk. Thought he was honking at me.
Yep.
Want to hear it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Thanks for showing us.
Wasn't cheap either. I had to shuffle about $250 for it. Alright guys?
I heard it blowing down there. I looked at it.
Yeah. I was talking to, I like to just kind of give the trains a little honk when they come through. So, yep. Well, yep, take care. Yep. GoPro, stop recording.